Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 6i, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. And to get started, pull down your notification panel and find the toggle for it, which for me looks to be, I think this is the hotspot. Nope, that actually isn't hotspot. So stop on the little box right here. And it looks like, there we go, there's the hotspot. So let's grab it, drag it over. There we go, drop it. And now we should be able to access it fairly quickly right over here. So for the start, you want to hold it, then select personal hotspot settings, where you will have the option to change the password. So let's just remove this one. The randomly generated password is not too good, so there we go, let's set our own. Now we also have the option to change the P-band, which we only have one option, so I guess we don't actually have choice to change anything. Do keep this on visible to other devices, and lastly what you can change is the Wi-Fi name if you want to. So once you enable this, that is going to be the name that is right here, and from there, once you change everything that you want, click save, go home, and now simply enable the toggle. And there we go, hotspot is right now active. And once you're done with it, I do recommend you to turn it off, otherwise it will be using a little bit more of your battery. And number two, it is using your Wi-Fi antenna to broadcast the signal, so during the time that you're using hotspot, you won't be able to use Wi-Fi. So simply tap on it again and it will turn it off. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.